Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Port Washington, Wisconsin to North Point Lake, Wisconsin. Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 9:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Port Washington to 35 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.